Hello friends, let's understand SBI today as per Elliott wave analysis. Now this is a weekly chart for SBI. It looks like that 1 and 2 is completed and 3 is running to the downside. Now we need to understand how this 3 is going on. Normally wave 3 tends to be greater than 1.618 of 1. Here 1.618 level is coming 141.59 that SBI has not yet achieved. Let's see on daily chart for wave 3. What is happening in wave 3? Now here wave 3 has started. It looks like 1 and 2 is completed and 3 of 3 is completed or in progress. Now when we see this format of development, I'm talking about this. It is not trending, so it is clearly some sort of correction. So it is very clear that maybe 1, 2 is completed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but this is not a 5-way move. So this has to be a part of the correction. Let's analyze this part in hourly time frame. Now when we see hourly time frame here, so this part is more of a irregular correction. Let's see how. So here you can see A is there, then wave B is there, and C is started. So now we need to understand how C has been developed. So we will focus from the level that has been achieved by SBI as a low. So till now on 22nd May, low has been made of 149.5. Now we need to understand what is happening now. If we see carefully the development of SBI in this chart, it is clearly visible that you can say that 1, 2, 3 and 4 has been done and wave 5 under progress. Now here 1 and 2 is very small, very small. This whole part is wave 3. So we can mark these waves as this is 1 here. So this is 1 and this is 2 and this is 3 and this is 4. Now let's see how wave 4 has retraced very deeply. If you see, wave 4 retraced almost around 618 level. 618 level was 168 and wave 4 made a low of 169.3. So almost wave 4 retraced 61%. Now that is not normal. Wave 4 has retraced very deep. In that case, we can expect wave 5 to be extended. So if wave 5 is extended, what are the targets for wave 5? So first of all, if you calculate the target for wave 5, so it is coming around 206 and 216. So these are the most probable target for wave 5. Remember, it should not go much beyond 216. Now if you can say, if it is irregular wave, this is A. Let me show you clearly. So this is A, B, and it can be like this. Here you can calculate that wave 4 has been completed and next downward side move will start. Okay, so before that, first of all, let's understand what is the formation of wave C to upside. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is very clear that 1, 2, 3 has been completed and 5 under the progression. Okay, let's understand what is the structure of wave 5 in 15 minutes. If we see, so this is where this is the low of 169.3. Now if you see here from this level, we can clearly say that level 2, 3 and 4 has been completed and wave 5 is there. Now when we see the larger picture, remember wave 5 has retraced deeply in both the cases, major 4 and 4 of 5. So your next leg, 5th of 5th, has to be very, very extended, and it will be extended plus wild also. It will clearly leave an impression that the recession has been over for SBI. Okay. Now here, if I want to take a count, so this can be 1 and 2. So this is 1, this is 2, this can be 3, this can be 4. Then wave 5 has been started. Let's see what is there in wave 5. Now it is very, very clear. So what was the low? So low is 177.25. Okay. Let's go to 5 minutes to understand the development of this last move to upside. Again, here you can see it is zigzag mostly, A, B and C. If you want to see, it is here. This is A, B and C. A clear zigzag for as wave 4. Okay, so this is clearly wave 4, here 3 and 4. Now again 1, 2, 3, we can see a very good count, like here this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3, maybe 3 of 3, then 4 and then 5. So as per my understanding, SBI is going to make a new high at least about this point, that is 189.8. Okay, 189.8, and it should not go below, as of now, 184.85. Now let's understand if this is 1. Now what is the count for me? Let me give you tentative count for this. So this could be 1 and 2 and some sort of 3 is running. Now, if I want to take account of these three, it should be 1 and 2. This could be 3. This could be 4. In progress, I don't know whether it is completed or not. We will check the levels, and then there should be upward move like this. Okay. Now here, if I want to check whether this 4 is been completed, let's take a retracement level from wave for wave 3. So this is somewhere around 38%. So it might be completed, might be not. There is a possibility that we may see one low somewhere around 186.85. So this is a very good level here. And what is the level? 186.8, somewhere around here. Not somewhere above 186, not somewhere below 186, but you should see some reversal pattern around 186.8. Okay. Now, what is your target? This one. This is your target. Sorry, this is your asset. And your target above this level. That is 190. Okay. Now, if you want to see the SL would be 184.85. Single trade below, what is your SL? 184.8. This is a precise SL. So anything near 186.8, you can buy stop SBI for the target above 190 with SL 184.8. Everything is cash level. Okay. Now I'm removing everything, so chart should be clear. Okay, much clearer now. Okay. Now for B, this will complete. Now here, what is the count? So this is 1, this is 2, 3 will be completed somewhere around here, and then there should be 4, and then there should be 5 somewhere around 210. So this is what we are expecting in SBI in near future. The negation level would be below this. If SBI goes below 183.4, if SBI goes below this level, then this analysis stands. In this case, analysis stands wide. Then we have to recheck the count. As of now, SBI is buy somewhere around 186.8 with keeping SL below 184.8 for a target above 190. Thank you.